We want to find the perimeter of the following shapes correct to the nearest integer. Now what I'm going to do is start at this point and I'm going to walk around this shape. I'm going to walk along here to start with. And since this is part of a circle and this is 6, this must also be 6. So my perimeter is going to be 6. And then I'll walk across to here. And that's another 6. To get back to my start position, I have to walk around this circular arc. Now, if the whole circle was there, it should be clear that the radius would be 6. This would be the center of the circle just here. So the circumference of the circle would be 2 times pi times the radius of 6. But we don't have a whole circle. We've got a quarter of a circle. We can see that because of the right angle here. So what we need to do is divide this part by 4. 2 times pi times 6 would be the whole circumference, but we've only got a quarter. Now, we can calculate that, and my suggestion is to do it all in one go. 6 plus 6 plus 2 times pi times 6 divided by 4. That's 21.424 and so on. And because this is a 4, it's closer to 21. So to the nearest integer, that's 21 millimeters, and that is to the nearest integer. And then we've got this second shape to do, and I'm going to start here. And I'm going to walk this way to start with. So that's going to be 14. Then I'm going to walk across here. So that is 22. Now this bit must also be 14. What have I got left to do? I've got to go around the arc of the circle. In other words, I've got to walk around this part here. Now the center of the circle would be here. And since this length is 22, the radius of the circle would be 11. So I'm going to do 2 times pi times 11, but that would be the whole circle. And here what I have is half of a circle. So I just divide by 2. And then once again, calculate that all in one go. So we've got 14, add 22, add 14, add 2 times pi times 11 divided by 2, and that's 84.557. And nearest integer, if that's a 5 there, we're going to round up. So it's going to be 85, and in this case that's centimeters, and that is to the nearest integer.